Clear policies on migrant workers and stronger law enforcement have resulted in fewer cases of mistreated Indonesian domestic workers in Singapore compared to Malaysia, said an activist. North-South Initiative Executive Director Adrian Pereira said Malaysia had non-transparent SOPs when it came to maids, while the laws were poorly enforced, putting these domestic workers in vulnerable situations. However, it would not be accurate to say that poor treatment of maids in Singapore is little to none, as gross abuses on domestic workers have been reported there too, he told FMT. His comments come after Hermono, the Indonesian ambassador to Malaysia, lamented on the poor treatment of Indonesian domestic workers here. He also questioned why there were so many such cases in Malaysia and little to none in Singapore. Hermono said there had been numerous cases of maids being made to work for their employers for years without being paid, some even working for more than a decade under such conditions. Pereira said the government and the public perceived Indonesian domestic workers as slaves, adding that terms like maids symbolized the indentured servitude-like attributes. Asked if a finalized memorandum of understanding between Jakarta and Putrajaya would better protect these workers, Pereira said history had shown that such MOUs were bound to fail, as they were done in secret with minimal to zero discussions and debates with domestic workers and civil society. The Naganita Executive Director Glorine Das said there was a need for a single law that covered the entirety of domestic work and potential issues that might arise due to the isolated nature of the work. Das said the government should pass a domestic workers' bill or strengthen the protection mechanism for them before another death or case of abuse arose. The government should live up to its responsibilities to protect this vulnerable sector, which has contributed so significantly to the well-being of millions of Malaysians, she told FMT.